No shit. You cool with that? They need like an emotional attachment. No, I will say this. No. You and me will always be tied.
Laid. Hello my unicorns, and welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite baby mama. So this bomb wonderful wig is from Premier Lace Wigs, and I just love it already. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is the obvious, and that's spray this wig cap because I need this wig cap to be secure. So since you guys can visually see this, I am going to talk about Premier Lace Wigs. Now, Premier Lace Wigs is a really good wig company. When I got my wig box, I was shocked. First off, the back of the box was so cute, which I'm going to show you a little bit later in this video. So when we get to that point, I'm going to talk to you guys again. I'm going to let y'all enjoy this beat, and then we go on to tune back in. Of course, when it's dry, you cut off the lace. I'm pretty sure you guys seen a lot of wig videos, so I don't think this video is to show you how to do it. Look at my daughter in the background. She's wild. At the back of their box, like, this is just so adorable. If you use my code Cherie, you can get $10 off your first purchase. And this is my wig. It looks so good. And sorry, off any purchase actually. And this is me applying the wig. Now I apply the wig on first before I cut the lace. Now I feel like I find this a whole lot better. I love it because when I cut the lace, you know, I'm doing it toward the shape of my head and not just cutting the lace off. So from now on, I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna make sure it's glued down and dry before I start cutting. I like this method better. As you guys have been watching, I am new to this wig game, but I am getting better and better each time. Don't you guys think? So yeah, this is what it looks like so far, and I am now going to let it dry some more and then cut off the lace. So before I got on camera, I practiced my other side. So now I'm about to lay the edges on this side. So I start off by parting my wig to as much baby hairs that I want to be out. And the reason why I pre-recorded is because with the other side is because I was practicing. Like I said, I'm still new to this again. So I'm working on these baby hairs. I'm using EcoStyle gel to gel them down, and water too, but I used the first brush, like a wet brush, because I didn't want it to stick already, and then I went back over with the gel. So then after I put the gel on it, I'm going to hairspray it And then instead of putting a scarf over it, I'm just going to blow dry it, because when I put a scarf, I hate how smushed my edges look. So yeah, I'm done. Now it's time to fix this wig up. And if you guys enjoyed this video and you think this wig is bomb like I do, go ahead and check out Premier Lace Wigs. And look at this parting. Look at all that. Like, this is a really nice wig. I switched the part on the video as well. No shedding. I freaking love them. Their wig caps fit exactly on your head. Like, it's just amazing. Unicorns, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to become my unicorns if you're new, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye. Follow me on all social media, please.